In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country on a Samsung phone. Before we dive in, it's important to note that you can't change the country directly within the Samsung settings. That's right. Instead, you'll need to use a web browser along with your Samsung account. Be aware, some features might change after you switch the country, so let's get started. First up, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome or the default internet browser on your phone. Using a browser is essential because the option isn't available directly in the phone settings. Once the browser is open, type in the web address account.samsung.com. This will take you to the official Samsung account website. It's always a good idea to use the official site to ensure security and accuracy. Now it's time to log in. Enter your Samsung account credentials. This step is crucial because it verifies your identity and gives you access to your account settings. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first. With that done, you'll see the main dashboard of your Samsung account. Look for the profile option and tap on it. This is where you can manage your personal details and settings. Next, tap Edit Personal Information. This section allows you to make changes to your personal data, including the country associated with your account. Here comes the key part. Look for the option that says Country or Region. Tap on it and you'll see a list of available countries. This is where you can choose the new country you want to set for your account. Remember, changing the country might affect some features or services available to you. After selecting your desired country, tap Confirm or Change. This action saves your new country setting. You'll know it worked if you see a confirmation message on the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the country on your Samsung phone. It's a simple process, but it requires careful attention to each step. Always make sure to double-check the country you've selected, as this can impact your phone's services and features. Before we wrap up, a quick insight. Using the browser for this change bypasses restrictions within the app settings. This method ensures you have full control over your account's regional settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for more assistance. See you in the next video.